Hi, this is Zoe from Carepatron, and in this video I will be guiding you through the Relationships Boundaries List. A relationship boundaries list is essential for personal growth and relationship preservation. It serves as a guide, enabling individuals to distinctly define their comfort levels and what they deem unacceptable within their relationships. This concept transcends the confines of a single type of relationship. It applies universally to all forms, including romantic partnerships, friendships, family ties, and even professional connections. The primary role of this list is to foster respect, mutual understanding, and healthy communication between all parties involved. It acts as a roadmap to respect, personal space, and self-identity preservation with any relationship. The list sets clear expectations and boundaries in any interpersonal interaction, serving as a comprehensive guide. Healthy boundaries in relationships do more than just protect. They cultivate mutual respect among individuals. Setting these boundaries clarifies what's expected within the relationship, creating an environment of understanding and respect. To use our free relationship boundaries list, follow these steps. Download our relationship boundaries list from the Carepatron platform, which you can find in the link in the description. The first step in creating a relationship boundaries list involves identifying the areas where you feel boundaries are necessary. These boundaries could span various aspects of your life, including emotional, physical, mental, or digital parameters. It's about understanding what makes you feel comfortable and respected and what doesn't. Reflect on past experiences, consider your values, and where you have felt uncomfortable or disrespected in previous relationships. Communicate your boundaries. Once you've identified your boundaries, clearly articulating them to the other party involved is crucial. Effective communication is key in ensuring that your boundaries are understood and respected. Be open, honest, and assertive when discussing your boundaries. After establishing your boundaries, standing firm and maintaining them is important. Consistency is key here. Others may not take your boundaries seriously if you do not uphold them. It's essential to be assertive. Boundaries aren't set in stone. As you grow and change, your boundaries might too. Therefore, it's crucial to regularly review your boundaries to ensure they are still relevant and serving their intended purpose. Reflect on whether your boundaries are being respected and if they continue to align with comfort levels and personal values. Here is a sample of our relationship boundaries list, which you can find on our Carepatron platform. To find our relationship boundaries list, go to our Carepatron platform or click on the link in the description. In our template section, we have a range of templates and worksheets for you to use with your patients. You can filter or type in the keywords to find the worksheet. Thank you for watching our video at Carepatron. If you enjoyed this video, give us a like. If you would like to see more videos like these, subscribe to our Carepatron channel or click on one of our recommended videos.